Menteri Rangba ke Jala Meghalaya ukon rot kisang ma syam lala ban kran shai ya kanong rembak Sorkar ka yeng. Laan pynsangeh ne ban pynïaid ya lynti rel haki jaka Ri Lum Khasi-Jaiñtia na ka jingdon ki jing pursha ki seng balang. Menteri Rangba uloong haba pai kmat jaka roi kapar ki lynti rel ki diban wan seru sedang ba ban kentia ya ka khayi pateng ka yok kakot bot lobun rapat baka don ka jing sungukya na ki be don banta baro. Uloong bahab ban syam lai ke jing menjur bat kumban syukudau ba kiwe ki jala ka thai north east kilas dang ye ki lynti rel laj no ka jala Meghalaya. Dak ba pen pau ba ka jing bam yok pen telun ye ki project lynti rel kala pen thot ya ka tanat railways jong Sorkar India uloong ba ka mang tingka kala shu sakut bat lada omla an hab ban pen trai kam no haki wei pat ki benta.
My take is the same as it was before, that obviously from a development perspective we all would want to see that railway should come to a capital, and it would improve the overall connectivity, it would improve trade, economy, and so on and so forth. But then there are challenges, there are concerns, and the different stakeholders have different concerns, and therefore we would like to carry everybody along. So obviously no one is giving up on it, no one is saying that we're going to shelve it off. But issue is that there are funds lying for certain project. If you're not able to move in a particular project, then we can exercise and use the funds in a different project, is what we're saying. But that does not mean that we close the first one. Since if the first one is not moving, we'll move with a different option. But at the same time, we'll continue to discuss and and engage with different stakeholders and try to find an amicable way in which we can proceed with the project, as it is something that is good for the state and can be done in a phase-wise manner. So all options are open. So the NF people are correct that there is no question of closing it, but there's no question of forcing either. I used the words very, very clearly. I said there is a first project is there. We are facing some hurdles. There are constraints, and we need to address those concerns that are there. It's taking time. In the meantime, certain funds were parked for a certain project. Since it's not moving forward, obviously Government of India will ask a question that how long will you keep this money? So either we give it back or we divert it to another project within the state itself and try to utilize that money so that it doesn't go to waste. And hence we are exercising and trying to find out if there are other regions in the state who would be open to the idea of a railway. And that exercise has started, and I have expressed the same to the railway minister also. The railway minister himself has told me that he is open to that idea, and therefore we will examine it from that angle and see if there are other projects that we can move forward in. And if it's there, then we'd like to do that. Otherwise, as I said, it will be lost for the state in terms of finances, as the money has already come in for a certain part of the railway. They are, and anybody would be, and especially this government has been very aggressive in terms of development, and they are. But at the same time, they have understood the challenges at the local level, and I have made them understand that since it is for the betterment of the people and it is the society as a whole, we need to carry everybody along, and let's discuss and create a consensus, address the concerns that they have, find a way, and then move forward in the project.